Boat Airdopes 131 TWS earphones launched at 1,299 rupees. Boat has today launched a brand new pair of truly wireless earphones in India. The Boat Airdopes 131 come with an Insta-Wake pair feature that basically means the earphones will connect to your phone instantly after opening the case. They come in a sleek, ergonomic design and are claimed to offer a comfortable fit. That sounds about right, considering the earbuds weigh in at just 3.5 grams each. There's a 13mm driver inside, which should result in good quality sound output, and the earphones have a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. That's also fine, especially considering the price these earphones come in at. Also on the earphones is a multifunction button. Among other things, you can use this button to activate the voice assistant on your phone. That's a feature most TWS earphones have these days, and it's a rather handy feature to have as well. For connectivity, the Boat Airdopes 131 use Bluetooth 5.0. That's pretty great considering these are really affordable TWS, and I would have not been surprised to see Bluetooth 4.2 or even 4.1 here. Boat claims a battery life of 3 hours on a single charge. This can be increased further to 15 hours in total with the charging case. That's not the best battery life you will find, but it's not bad, and for 1,299 rupees it's actually fairly decent, provided it lasts as long as Boat is claiming. The new earphones will be sold on Flipkart starting tomorrow, August 22nd, 12 p.m, for 1,299 rupees. So if you're looking for affordable TWS earphones, these might be worth a look.